Hello guys, this is Aditi from Education Vibe and we are back again with Artem, who is the official head of international admission for MBBS courses in Home State Medical University, and as Education Vibe is the official partner for MBBS courses in Home State Medical University, is again back with you. So hi Artem, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
So Artem, as it is your last day today in India, so what is the thing you're gonna miss a lot?
I think people and food.
Okay, so Artem, in our last video, as the audience saw, they are flooded with many questions. So today I'm going to give you a big time list of questions, and please, it's a request to solve all the questions of the students.
Okay.
So let's go with a very crucial question over there: that if students are studying in Home State Medical University, will they get licensed to practice in Russia?
Of course, they will.
Okay. So Artem, can you please tell us the license procedure?
So, firstly, you need to finish your main education. After that, you need to complete the test and perform a post graduation. After performing a post graduation, you can choose what to do, like to be a doctor or to maybe be a professor.
Okay. So my next question is, like, in the practice, when students are practicing over there, do they need to learn Russian language to interact? Can you just tell us how?
Of course, because we have like 3 years Russian classes because patients are Russian people, so it's hard for them to understand English.
Okay, so are there translators present?
Yeah, of course, they have volunteers to help.
Okay. Okay. So as the admissions have started for Home State Medical University, what is the last date of the admission?
So for the first income, there will be 20th of July. For the second income, like 20th of September.
So coming to the most interesting part of students and parents, it's the most common question which they ask about the hostel.
Uh,
What special is about the Indian hostel over there?
Indian hostel, so firstly Indian mess. So our students will see no difference between India and Russia because we have Indian cooks, so that wouldn't be a problem. And of course, security. We have like ID cards, AD passes, so it's totally secure.
Okay. So Artem, is there a different wing for the girls and boys of the hostel?
Yeah, they live in the same hostel, but they have different wings. So girls live separately, boys live separately, no problem.
Okay. So is there a Wi-Fi in the hostel?
Of course, we have Wi-Fi in the rooms, and we have free Wi-Fi on the first floor in the learning room.
Which room can you repeat?
A learning room, teaching room.
So this is a very special question and it's very close to my heart. That Indian students over there will be present during big festivals like Diwali, Holi. So do you celebrate over there Indian festivals?
Yeah, we celebrate them.
Have you experienced and can you just tell us how you people celebrate?
I have no experience, but I know that our students celebrate it. But I am in the work 24/7, so I cannot be with them.
Okay. So Arjun, can you please tell our audience about the medical departments in Home State Medical University? A bit brief about it.
So we have like general medicine, dentistry, pharmaceutic, and pediatrics. And in post graduations, we have just a lot of specialties. So basically, general medicine is the most interesting for the young students because in general medicine they can keep all the knowledges. Because pediatrics and others are strictly learning.
So apart from academics, can you tell how students are there in sports, other activities, what all facilities students are getting in Home State Medical
Of course,
University?
because we have some activities, some facilities like we have student spring when they perform something like our students communicate with Russian students, and also for the next year we will have a reading team.
Okay. So thank you, Artem. It was lovely to have you in India with us and hope we'll meet soon. And let's have a safe journey. So
Okay, thanks so much.
thank you so much.